مرحباً بكم في أكاديمية صوفيا. في درس اليوم سنكمل سلسلتنا لتعلم المفردات، وسنقوم باستكشاف الكلمات والأماكن التي يمكن أن نجدها في المدرسة.
School. I go to the school every day. I go to the school every day. Teacher. The teacher helps students learn. The teacher helps students learn. Student. The student studies at school. The student studies at school. Classroom. We study in a classroom. We study in a classroom. Blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard. Whiteboard. The teacher writes on the whiteboard. The teacher writes on the whiteboard. Desk. The student sits at a desk. The student sits at a desk. Chair. We sit on a chair. We sit on a chair. Board marker. We use a board marker to write on the whiteboard. We use a board marker to write on the whiteboard. Chalk. The teacher uses chalk to write on the blackboard. The teacher uses chalk to write on the blackboard. Ruler. We use a ruler to draw straight lines. We use a ruler to draw straight lines. Pen. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. Pencil. I draw with a pencil. I draw with a pencil. Pencil sharpener. We use a pencil sharpener to make the pencil sharp. We use a pencil sharpener to make the pencil sharp. Eraser. I use an eraser to fix errors. I use an eraser to fix errors. Book. The student opened her book to study. The student opened her book to study. Copybook. I write my lessons in my copybook. I write my lessons in my copybook. Bag. I keep my books and copybooks in my bag. I keep my books and copybooks in my bag. Paper. We write or draw on paper. We write or draw on paper. Scissors. We use scissors to cut paper. We use scissors to cut paper. Crayons. Children color pictures with crayons. Children color pictures with crayons. School uniform. We wear a school uniform every day. We wear a school uniform every day. Homework. We do our homework after school. We do our homework after school. Break. We play with our friends during the break. We play with our friends during the break. Timetable. The timetable shows our lessons for the day. The timetable shows our lessons for the day. Set square. The set square helps us draw a right angle. The set square helps us draw a right angle. Protractor. I use a protractor to measure angles. I use a protractor to measure angles.
اقرأ هذه الكلمات لآخر مرة قبل الانتقال إلى الاختبار التالي. يمكنك إيقاف الفيديو وقراءتها بقدر ما تريد.
أحسنت.